Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make pretty Barbie candy. They look very beautiful. We're going to learn how to make 3 candies: an ice cream, a 3-layer cookie, and a stuffed cookie. Don't they look delicious? Let's get learning. Let's start with a 3-layer cookie. I'll pick the small flour cookie cutter. First, you must choose the color of our clay. I'll pick the yellow one. Knead well, then use the mold to cut. Now we remove the excess. Make another mold of that color. Now let's make another one with a different color clay. I'll choose the purple color. Now that we have the 3 molds, we can start putting our cookie together. The purple part goes in the middle. It will be our filling. Now our cookie is almost ready. We need to do the details with this tool. Let's pick a color of clay and put it inside. Press lightly to push a little out. Now, with the help of the plastic spatula, we'll take the dots and start decorating our cookie. Put a dot on each of the tips. Ready! Doesn't it look beautiful? Our cookie has 3 layers and is nicely decorated. Let's go to our second candy. We'll need this tool for this. Choose a clay color. I'll choose blue. We knead it a little, and now I'll put it in our tool. Squeeze just a little so it doesn't get too messy. We'll cut the leftover with a spatula. And adjust our circle to make it nice and round. Now let's go to the second step. Grab the heart-shaped cookie cutter. I'll choose the pink clay. Make a mold to get our second layer. Remove the excess, and our heart is ready. Now, the last missing part is the star mold. Choose the 3rd color of dough. I'll do it with yellow this time. Look, our star is ready. Place it neatly, and you're done. Our cookie is finished and very colorful. Now let's go to our 3rd candy. Let's use the ice cream pan. It's 3 layers. My first layer will be made of white clay. The second layer with light green. And blue will be my 3rd layer. You knead the dough to shape it and place a little on both sides. Do the same with the other 2 colors. There, our mold is ready. We can't forget the ice cream stick. Place it right in the center of the mold. And now tighten it carefully so that the 2 parts come together. It's ready! Clean the excess with a spatula and smooth the edge of the ice cream. I almost forgot. There's a decoration missing. We can use the molds on the caps. I'll choose the bow. I'll make a pink bow. Put some clay in the cap. And it's ready! We'll need to get all the leftovers to stay together. Now put it on the ice cream. I'll put it right here. Look how beautiful it is. We have 3 sweets, the ice cream, the 3-layer cookie, and the stuffed cookie. I hope you liked it. Until next time, goodbye.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.